In this video we can talk about top 5 NightCafe alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone! Welcome to our Alternatives channel. In today's video, we'll delve into the world of creative AI and explore the best alternatives to NightCafe. Whether you're an artist, designer, or someone with a creative streak, the top 5 alternatives including Dall E, Midjourney, Bing Image Creator, Jasper, and Dream by Wombo will take your imagination to new heights. So, without further ado, let's dive into the fascinating world of creative AI. The first alternative is Dall E. Through the simple act of describing your vision in text, Dall E is a remarkable tool with which you can create unique and surreal images by simply describing them in text. It offers some key features like photorealistic images, outpainting and variations, and in-painting. With this tool, you can witness your wildest ideas come to life as this cutting-edge technology transforms your imagination into stunning visuals. One of the standout features of Dall E is to generate a much higher resolution image output. Next up, we have Midjourney. Midjourney is a powerful creative AI tool that pushes the boundaries of visual storytelling. It offers features like 3D models, control over variations, and predefined templates. This innovative platform combines machine learning and artistic techniques to enhance images, allowing you to create captivating visuals. And one of the standout features of Midjourney is its ability to upload your own images and get prompts to create new images. Third on our list is Bing Image Creator. Bing Image Creator is a versatile AI tool that enables you to transform photographs and add artistic effects effortlessly. It offers features like customizable templates, collaboration and sharing, and text-to-image. With this tool you can unleash your imagination and let your pictures tell stories that leave a lasting impression. And one of the standout features of Bing Image Creator is its ability to integrate with Bing's vast image library, which makes it easy to find the perfect images for your designs. Our fourth alternative is Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI-powered tool designed to convert text prompts into realistic AI-generated images. It offers features like watermark-free images, high-resolution images, template library, and browser extension. Whether you're a digital artist or simply want to explore the realm of creative AI, Jasper provides a user-friendly platform to bring your visions to life. One of the standout features of Jasper is its ability to allow for the use of images without any legal repercussions. Last but not least, we have Dream by Wombo. Dream by Wombo is an incredible AI-driven tool that turns your photos into dreamlike masterpieces. It offers features like multiple variations, modifies description, and Wombo. Using Dream by Wombo, you can simply upload your image, and it will apply its magic, transforming your ordinary snapshots into surreal and mesmerizing artwork. However, one of its standout features is to let you create multiple outputs of your dream. Compared to NightCafe, Dall E takes the concept of image generation to a whole new level, offering unparalleled creativity and imagination. Midjourney allows you to transform ordinary images into extraordinary works of art, pushing the boundaries of visual storytelling. Bing Image Creator, on the other hand, empowers you to add artistic effects and manipulate photographs effortlessly, creating stunning visuals. Jasper provides a user-friendly platform for image generation, allowing you to bring your artistic visions to life. Lastly, Dream by Wombo turns your photos into dreamlike masterpieces, offering a unique and mesmerizing artistic experience. While all the alternatives to NightCafe offer incredible creative AI capabilities, if we had to choose the best alternative, we would definitely recommend Dall E. With its ability to generate unique and surreal images based on textual descriptions, Dall E takes the crown for its revolutionary approach to image creation. We hope this comparison has provided you with valuable insights into the world of creative AI and helped you identify the best alternative to NightCafe for your creative endeavors. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.